Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to unbox this package. I'm very excited to unbox this package right now because it is the most expensive puzzle I ever bought since I started cubing in 2016. Can you guess what cube it is? This is the YJ MGC 6x6 Rubik's Cube. I heard this is one of the best 6x6 cube in the market, so I'm very excited to try this cube. This cube is just 63 ringgit. I love the design of the box. It is very beautiful and cool, and it feels like unboxing an Apple product. Once you open the box, you will see the accessories box and the cube itself. In this box, you will get the tutorial paper on how to solve this cube. You also will get some magnets, some springs, and a screwdriver. The cube is very smooth out of the box. You can feel the magnetic strength when you turn the cube slowly. For your information, there are 144 magnets inside of this cube. The size of this cube is 65mm on each side. The cube is also weighed over 174 grams. And after I unboxed this cube, my cube collection starting from 2x2 to 7x7 is finally complete. This is my main 2x2 cube. It is the Moyu Meilong 2x2. And this is my main 3x3 cube. It is the Ken 356 RS. And this is my main 4x4. It is the Moyu Meilong 4x4 cube. And this is the only 5x5 cube that I have. It is the Meilong 5x5 Rubik's Cube. And this is the cube that I just unboxed in this video. It is the YJ MGC 6x6. And finally, this is my main 7x7. It is the YJ UFO V2M. And this is my first solve of this cube. The cube is really smooth and fast, and I think this is the best 6x6 cube I ever solved. I'm not good at solving the big cube, but I'm happy I can solve the 6x6 cube under 10 minutes. Comment below what is your fastest time to solve a 6x6 cube. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.